Hello friends, I'm back with my new video. It's about how to create a table in Photoshop. Firstly, we have to open Microsoft Word for creating a table in Photoshop. Create a new file, click on Insert, then Table. Choose number of rows and columns according to your requirement. Then you can give the style. If you want over here, click on File, then save it as PDF. I'm going to save it on the desktop. Choose PDF from the style, then save it. After saving the file, you have to open Photoshop. Then click on File, Open. Choose your PDF file, then open it. You have to move this file to a new file. You have to firstly press Ctrl A to select, then Ctrl C to copy. Create a new file with you can create with the Ctrl N also, or File then New. Choose the file size. Paste it with Ctrl V. Resize the table with Ctrl T. If you want to resize only one or two columns or rows, just select to them and press Ctrl T, and you can resize according to your requirement. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. See you later.